When every NBFC in early 2000 wanted to go deeper into vehicle finance, we were the only NBFC wanted to move away from vehicles finance and create our own lending space for ourselves. As I said, I was not a background of lending, professional lending. There was three questions which were running in my mind, which made me a niche segment lender. One is whom to lend when we want to move away from vehicle space. Second, how to lend. That's the underwriting part that you have to create for yourself when you're getting into a new space. Third is how to collect your EMIs back on time. Whom to lend, how to collect it back. These were the three fundamental questions which were running in my mind. I was very clear if I'm able to get the fundamental answers right on these three questions, we will create a niche for ourselves. Today, Five-Star is proud to say, for the last 20 years, we have been lending to small business, which we call nano business, single shopkeepers, self-employeds. You all know India is the land of million shopkeepers, million self-employeds. A data shows 3 out of 2 people of shopkeepers or self-employed, they've been catered by money lenders. So we wanted to go and disrupt that market and create our own niche for themselves. I'm happy to say today Five-Star has created more than 5,000 crores of assets with one of the best asset quality in the lending space and profitability. We will not compromise either profitability or quality for the purpose of growth. You'll know more about when we talk about the operational side. So between 2004 and 14, that was a learning period for Five-Star. We learned a lot in first 10 years. We didn't grow our book. Our growth was around 10-15%, even at the low days. But we want to learn more about these customers. 2014 to 2020, the fastest growing NBFC, we made close to 90-95% year-on-year growth. COVID came, stuck us. You know, a company which has generated 90% year-on-year growth and stuck by COVID, any best lender's asset will be challenged. I'm happy to say Five-Star is one of the few institutions, lending institutions in our country who came out of COVID unscratched. I can give you the data for that. Our worst asset quality during COVID-2, which was the peak, was 1.68%. 90 DPD was 1.68%. That's the quality. We really thank COVID for that. Moving away Five-Star from worse. Now COVID is all settled. We are back to growth plans. You will see a lot of growth coming in Five-Star. I can't give any futuristic statement as we are in the public mode of running an IPO. So this is a short background about myself, how the business model started and how we learned the business model, when was the growth phase, how is the growth got challenged by COVID, and today we are standing very tall from a profitability and quality perspective. So one more clarity I wanted to give to the media people, because I saw some media reports showing promoter is selling in this IPO. Let me make it very clear, I am not selling anything. None of my shares are in offer for sale, none of my shares are mortgaged, I don't have any loan. Even I don't have housing loan as I speak today. So there are 2 types of promoters. One is the individual promoters who belong to person in charge. There is institutional promoters, where 2 of the people are institutional promoters. They have been brought in the category of institutional promoters for the simple reason they are locking the shares along with me as per the SEBI requirement. Those are the entities are selling the shares. There is no promoter sale in this offer for sale. Let me be very clear. So let me take you to the Five-Star journey and the product of Five-Star. I request CEO, Mr. Ranga, to take you through the operational side, and then CFO Shrikant will speak more about liability. Then we'll open up the question session.